Can I
You trying to parry it? Oh.
I guess you can parry it.
Jesus.
Okay. I appreciate
You guys both
the
that.
No. No. Now can I... Oh, shit.
Oh.
Can I...
Oh my god.
How can I pick it up?
What,
Can I pick it up?
what
Ow.
is this?
No.
Chainsaw.
Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, goodness. He's traveling. That's legal. Oh, shit.
I love it. Chainsaw Man is no longer like a definitive character, it's just a title. Anyone can be Chainsaw Man.
Oh,
He just has the will. He just needs the will to pick up the chainsaw.
The will of see. Aha, I became the resident. And I
love that. I am the resident, and I'm feeling very evil. Oh goodness, that's hilarious.
Where? One action. Ah!
I'm ready and I'm ready.
I am the one with a PhD.
I am the one.
Oh, give it to me. I want it back.
Give it back.
Oh, shit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, is he wielding it again?
He's wielding it again. He's Chainsaw Man.
Ah!
Oh no! Damn, he's good at that.
Is she pregnant?
Shoot anyways.
I'll give her a C-section.
I can do one-liners too.
Oh no, Martha Stewart.
Oh goodness.
God. Yeah.
Just ridiculous. They finally just were like, we're gonna just throw everything at you.
Yeah.